Today I'm super thankful. My grandfather is letting me train him. We both win. I need to get that taken care of. We both win. He gets to work out hard. I get to work out hard. Today I did them lats, biceps, hamstrings, and quads at the gym. Over 90-minute session. He worked out lats, and so I was staying focused. Okay. I'm very thankful for that help. I'm very thankful for God's help. Have a good day. Buzz, buzz. That's that year.